In this video, we will learn about the Bertrand Duopoly model with symmetric costs, okay, and how prices and output is determined in case of the Bertrand competition. So, actually, what happens in case of the Bertrand competition? Firms compete in terms of prices, okay. So, competition is compete in prices. Unlike in case of the Carnot, where firms were competing in terms of quantity to be produced. Here, the competition is purely in terms of prices. Okay, let's take a simple example to make the things very clear. Let us say we have this duopoly where we have only two firms in this Bertrand model. Let us say we have total quantity in the market is equal to the Q1 plus Q2. Okay, so we have two firms, and the sum of the two firms output should be equal to the total output. Okay, let us take a hypothetical demand function. Let us say market demand function is P is equal to 40 minus 2Q. This is the market demand function. And let's also suppose the marginal cost of firm 1. Since we are talking about the symmetric costs, let us say marginal cost of firm 1 is $5 and marginal cost of firm 2 is also $5. That means we have the symmetric marginal cost with zero fixed cost. Okay, given this situation, when firms compete in terms of prices, what happens? Let us give some scenario here. There are conditions, let us say, situations. Let us say firm 1 charges a price less than the price charged by firm 2. If P1 is less than P2, basically what happens here, in case of Bertrand Duopoly model, we get a marginal cost pricing thing. That is, the equilibrium occurs where price is equal to marginal cost. This is the profit maximizing situation, or we say the optimal solution. So price should be equal to marginal cost in case of Bertrand Duopoly, and I will explain why. So let us supposedly price the firm 1 charges is less than that of firm 2. In this case, what will happen? Firm 1 will get all the market. That is, firm 1 will capture all the market and produce Q units of output, and firm 2 will be out of market. Okay, by simple logic, since price is equal to marginal cost, and if firm 1's price is less than that of firm 2's, firm 1 will get all the market and firm 2 will get nothing of the market share. Similarly, another situation can be if firm 2 chooses a price greater than, firm 1 chooses a price greater than firm 2. In this case, Q1 will be 0 and Q2 will be equal to Q. That means firm 2 will get all the what we call the market share. And another case can be when firm 1's price is equal to firm 2's price. In this case, they will split the market. That is, Q1 will be equal to Q divided by 2. That means firm 1 will produce half the market output and firm 2 will also produce half the output. Okay, so when the prices are same, they will split the market. Now let us see why this happens. Here the marginal cost was 5. Okay, let us suppose firm 1, or let me write it here, firm 2. Let us suppose firm 2 will charge, or let us take the scenario in case of firm 1. If firm 1 charges a price, let us say $6 in this case. Okay, firm 2 can charge a price of $5.99 and capture all the market. Okay, if firm 1 charges a price of $6, firm 2 will charge a price of $5.99 in the next scenario and capture all the market here. In the next scenario, what will happen? Firm 1, let us say she charges a price of 5.98. Okay, the price less than that of firm 2, and in this case this will firm 1 will get all the market, and similarly they will undercut each other's price till the price of firm 1 is equal to the price of firm 2, and which is equal to $5. In this case below $5 they cannot charge because there will be losses to each of the firms. Okay, now what will be the market equilibrium in this case given this hypothetical situation? So total quantity in this case will be equal to, since P is equal to MC, plug here the value of, and we know price will be equal to marginal cost is 5. Let us see the optimal output produced or the prices are, we are done with the prices. Output produced in the market will be equal to, plug P is equal to 5 here, so 5 is equal to 40 minus 2Q, or 2Q is equal to 40 minus 5, it comes out to be 35, or Q will be equal to 35 divided by 2, which comes out to be 2 ones are 2, 17.5. That means total output in the market will be, total quantity produced in the market will be equal to 17.5. okay, and marginal costs are same, they will separate the this scenario is possible here. That means Q1 will be equal to Q divided by 2, which is equal to 17.5 divided by 2. Similarly Q2 will be equal to Q divided by 2, which again is equal to 17.5 divided by 2. okay, so this is Q2, this is Q1, and our Q is equal to 17.5 here. And similarly we can find out the profit. Profit will be equal to total revenue minus total cost. So profit will be equal to total revenue minus total cost, which will be equal to P into, let's say profit of firm 1, that will be equal to Q1 minus, what is the total cost? Marginal cost is 5, total cost will be 5Q1. Now if you plug price is 5, so 5 Q1 is equal to 17.5 divided by 2, we have 17.5 divided by 2, minus we have 5 here, and again Q1 is 17.5 divided by 2. So here you can see total profit is equal to 0. That means here the economic profit is in fact equal to 0, because firms are breaking even, they are charging a price P is equal to marginal cost. Okay, this was the case of the symmetric costs, how what will happen in when the prices are symmetric. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.